Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening MakeCode Arcade and creating a new project. This gets your workspace ready. Choose blocks if you want drag and drop or JavaScript to edit code directly. Once done, name the project and confirm screen orientation so the layout matches your game. Make sure to attach a controller or enable keyboard input in the simulator. That lets you test movement immediately. Now add your first sprite and assign a simple movement block so you can see live feedback in the simulator. Next, you build the core logic by placing the player's sprite and configuring animations so movement looks natural. This is why speed and frame timing matter. Then design a tile map and add obstacles, setting collision rules so the player interacts correctly with the world. Use variables for score and lives, and wire event handlers for overlaps and button presses to update state. As you implement each piece, test in the simulator to verify behavior and iteratively tweak values for balance and responsiveness. To finish, you run full play tests, export the UF2 to your device, or download the project for emulation. This confirms real hardware behavior. Once complete, optimize by reducing sprite count, simplifying loops, and consolidating timers to keep frame rate steady. If something breaks, check the event order and make sure variables are reset where expected. Duplicate event handlers often cause unexpected behavior. Finally, save a backup version before major changes so you can revert quickly if a tweak creates new issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.